So right now I have opened this carburetor because I was unable to get to the screw. So this is the choke cable, and this is the new choke cable that I have sourced. This is from local bike CD70, and this notch will basically go inside this. There is a sleeve over there. So I was unable to get to this screw. So right now I have opened the carburetor, and it is now loose. There will be a spring over here, so I have got to be uh, little careful over there that the spring might not fly away. It was thread long and rusted. That's why I was not able to open it. I guess I have to put a little oil or WD-40 over it so that it will work properly. While installation of this new cable, you have to make sure that it is routed properly before it is connected to the carburetor. This old choke is quite rusty, and the main problem is that I cannot get this part of the new cable, this little fly, in this hole. This is basically due to the size difference of the non-OEM parts, so I have decided to file it down. Putting it together, the whole thing look like this. I am putting this oil over here so that the rusted part can be screwed back together easily. Tighten it a little and put the carburetor back in its place. Tighten the hoses connected to the carburetor, and we are done from this side. Fix the cable in the choke lever. Now hold the whole thing together like this. Cable was a little bit larger than the OEM specification, so it's loose. I'll address it later. Now putting the screw back in. Initially I like to twist it by hand, and at the end I will use the screwdriver. The cable is a little loose, so I have to use some kind of spacer which I made using this ball point. So here's the final look, and it's working properly. This is the old choke cable, and see how badly it is rusted and broken. If you have stumbled upon my content for the very first time, be sure to like, share and subscribe. Ta-da!